तर given the context of Nepal and त्यस्तो धेरै venture capital नभएर so हामी चाहिँ at least at NIYEF capital चाहिँ we're open to looking at early stage also. Greenfield we don't want to look at because Greenfield भनेर चाहिँ it's brand new. We don't want to look at because.
Can you elaborate Greenfield?
So Greenfield is when you start from scratch, you start a business from scratch. So त्यसमा we don't look because त्यसको the gestation period is too long for us. Private equity, हाम्रो time period normally is 8 to 10 years. Because of our size, we've taken a longer time period, so we can stay with the company for 6, 7, 8 years. But normally 4-5 years निक्लिनु पर्छ. अनि यो नयाँ कम्पनीमा अलि टाइम लाग्छ unless it's something that you आज बनाए भोलि नै हुनु पर्यो हैन. So but normally हुन्छ. So तर यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले like I said we're happy to look at early stage companies also given that we're on the same wavelength in terms of value and in terms of the path that they're going to take towards profitability. Because हामीलाई त it's not just on the the company revenues that we're going to make money, but that once it makes profits, then we're going to bring in a strategic investor or IPO मा जान्छ के भन्नु. Our ultimate goal should be for any company to go IPO because अब कि त यस्तो अब company हुनु पर्यो कि you're giving like 40-50% dividend or 100% dividend every year. हैन त्यस्तो पनि छन्. So त्यस्तोमा why do you want to go to IPO?
Exactly.
But if you're not making that sort of amazing returns of the dividend, ownerले आफ्नो value capitalize गर्ने or they'll want to do something else also हैन. त्यो गर्लाई त IPO नै जानु पर्यो.
Can I quickly add something on this? हैन, maybe it's my naive brain हैन asking this question हैन. Escape route पनि हो एउटा?
Yeah, it is. When you look at some IPOs, people are thinking maybe it is, but it's escape route. It's more about capturing your value.
Cash in right at the right time.
Yeah. Because you company now I want to also cash out. So त्यो पनि हुन्छ. So basically company किन पब्लिक भएपछि त्यसपछि इट्स यो त गोइङ कन्सर्न हो. त्यसपछि प्रोफेसनलहरू आएर द सिओ प्रोफेसनल सिओहरू टिमले ड्राइभ गर्छ, बोर्ड अफ डिरेक्टर्सले ड्राइभ गर्छ. सो इट्स ए वे टु क्यास आउट. अब नेपालमा चाहिँ विथ ब्याङ्क्स एन्ड अदर्स अल्सो एभ्री वान स्टेज एट 51% प्लस बिकज के छ नि म मेजोरिटीमा हुनुपर्छ इन केस वाट समथिङ ह्यापन्स भनेर. बट इफ यु लुक एट इन्टरनेसनली यो people who are holding 15-20% are the ones controlling the.
Yeah. Let's look at Amazon for example.
Amazon, I don't know the.
Jeff Bezos has a very.
But like even like Nvidia ma त्यो Johnson वगैरह.
अब जस्तै अस्ति एउटा उसमा पडकास्टमा सुनेको थिएँ कोटक महिन्द्राको the guy who started it, they have about 25-26%. But तर त्यो कसको हो भने त्यो that Mr. महिन्द्राको हो भनेर त छ नि त हैन. So त्यो cash out escape भन्दा नि it's more like you take your value but you retain a certain portion to make sure that you have control over the strategy, the strategic direction of the company.
Thank you very much for watching us on YouTube. Make sure that you also listen to us on Spotify.